Nerve damage can significantly impact our daily lives, causing pain, weakness, and loss of sensation. But did you know that certain vitamins can help repair and protect your nerves? In this video, we explore 13 incredible vitamins that play a crucial role in nerve health and recovery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health remedies. 1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is essential for nerve function and helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is vital for maintaining healthy nerves. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Sources include whole grains, meat, fish, and enriched breads. 2. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin. Riboflavin aids in the maintenance of the myelin sheath, a protective layer around nerves. It also helps with energy production and cellular function. You can find it in eggs, lean meats, milk, green vegetables, and almonds. 3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Niacin supports nerve health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. It's also crucial for DNA repair and energy metabolism. Sources include chicken, turkey, fish, whole grain products, and peanuts. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is important for neurotransmitter synthesis and helps reduce nerve pain. It also plays a role in maintaining normal nerve function. You can find it in foods like poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, and bananas. Vitamin B9, or folate, is necessary for DNA synthesis and repair, and it promotes the health of the nervous system. It also helps prevent birth defects related to the brain and spine. Sources include leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is crucial for nerve tissue health, brain function, and the production of red blood cells. A deficiency can lead to severe and irreversible nerve damage. You can find it in fish, meat, poultry, eggs, milk, and other dairy products. Vitamin D supports nerve growth and repair, and it plays a role in the production of nerve growth factor. It also helps reduce inflammation. Sources include sun exposure, fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also aids in the repair of nerve tissue. You can find it in nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps repair and regenerate tissues, including nerve tissues. It also enhances the immune system and reduces inflammation. Sources include citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, and spinach. Alpha-lipoic acid. This vitamin-like antioxidant helps reduce oxidative stress and can improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of nerve damage, such as pain and numbness. Sources include spinach, broccoli, yams, potatoes, and red meat. Acetyl L-carnitine. Acetyl L-carnitine helps with energy production in nerve cells and can improve nerve regeneration and reduce pain. You can find it in animal products such as meat and fish, and also in supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids. While not a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for nerve health. They help reduce inflammation and promote the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 13. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a role in nerve transmission and neuromuscular conduction. It also helps reduce nerve pain and supports overall nerve health. Sources include green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. How to incorporate these vitamins into your diet. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can significantly impact your nerve health. Here are some tips to get you started. Balanced diet. Ensure you consume a variety of foods to cover all essential vitamins. Supplements. If you have a deficiency or specific health condition, consider taking supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health, including nerve function. Additional tips for nerve health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood flow to the nerves and can aid in the repair process. Manage blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can damage nerves over time, so it's important to keep your levels in check. Avoid toxins. Limit exposure to toxins such as alcohol and certain medications that can harm nerves. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact nerve health. Practices like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help manage stress. Conclusion: nerve damage can be challenging, but incorporating these incredible vitamins into your diet can support nerve repair and overall health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on natural health remedies. Stay healthy and take care of your nerves. Subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and remedies. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below and share your experiences with nerve health and recovery. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you on your journey to better nerve health. Stay tuned for more valuable content on natural health and wellness.